Do you want to know how to build an email list from scratch with YouTube? Having an email list is one of the most important things that most YouTube creators should have, but don't. In today's video, we're going to go over how to use your YouTube channel, whether it's brand new or you've been growing it for some time, to grow an email list. And welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. My name is Jonathan Dunkerley, and I'm here to help you find the tools to make an income online. So often I see creators on YouTube and other social platforms that are solely depending on YouTube or that platform itself to make money. And there's nothing wrong with making money directly on YouTube. But YouTube and all the other social platforms could and have changed without any warning. YouTube could be sending you a lot of views one day and then poof, gone tomorrow. Now, for people that have regular jobs, you wouldn't want to get a regular paycheck and then get a fraction of that without a moment's notice. When you don't take traffic off of YouTube to something you control, that could happen at any moment. You need to start thinking of YouTube not as a business, but as a traffic source that feeds your business. If YouTube could stand in between you and your audience, they can take them away from you whenever they want. This is why it's important to sometimes send people off platform to something you control, like an email list. Once they are on your email list, you could connect with your audience and community members directly, even if YouTube doesn't put your new videos in front of them. Now, I'll get to exactly how to use YouTube to grow your email list in just a moment, but I wanted to go over what you can use this email list you are building for and why it is better than just these things directly through YouTube. The biggest benefit to building an email list is that you could send traffic to whatever you want. For example, if I wanted to send traffic to something with YouTube, I'd need to create an entire video, maybe even an entire series of videos. I'd have to depend on the YouTube algorithm and hope that the video would perform how I hoped it would. And if you have a smaller channel, it's almost impossible to get enough traction on a video fast enough for something that is time sensitive. But if some of your videos, and it doesn't have to be all of them, gets your audience to join your email list, you can let them know anytime you have a new YouTube video, if you have a new post on other social platforms, if there's an affiliate product you're promoting, it could even be your own product or even a private community giving you even more ways to connect with your community and your audience. These were just a few examples, and it will vary depending on you and what you might be promoting on your email list. So now you're saying, that sounds great. I want an email list, but how do I get people on my email list with my YouTube channel? If you follow these simple steps during your video, you will be able to get some of your viewers to join your email list, and in turn, you'll be able to communicate with your audience even better. Now, the first thing you need to ask yourself is, what is a simple problem a member of my community has that I could give them a quick solution to? In other words, how can I give my audience a quick win? This is going to be different for every niche and every audience, but the idea is the same. For example, one of my resources that I use on this YouTube channel to grow my email list is my YouTube resource guide. It's a simple Google sheet with a list of tools and resources that I personally use to grow on YouTube. You don't have to overthink it. It could be something as simple as a list or a one-page guide, something that will help them get to the next step. It doesn't have to be a long ebook or anything like that. A simple one-page resource is fine. You could easily put these together on sites like Fiverr, or just use free tools like Canva, or use a Google Sheet like I did. Okay, so now you have your resource that you're going to give away, or your lead magnet. How do you get people to join your email list in exchange for that lead magnet? You will need something called an autoresponder. An autoresponder basically is a service that helps you collect and manage your emails and lets you send emails to your audience whenever you want. And the beautiful thing is, you can send these emails out like normal emails, write it up and hit send, or you could schedule them and they could be emailed out based off of when somebody joins your email list. Basically, if I signed up today, I'd start at the beginning of the email sequence, and the first email can include your free resource. There are a lot of amazing features that these autoresponders have, but this is all you'll need to know for now. There are a lot of good autoresponders out there, and I personally use one called ConvertKit, and I love it. I'll drop a link to ConvertKit in the description in case you want to grab a free trial. If you're getting value from this video, be sure to smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time that a new video goes live. Now that you have your audience on your email list, you can communicate with them whenever you want. First off, this does not mean spam people, because don't spam people. Second, because people joined your email list so you could share the same value you share on your YouTube channel, not to get spam. We all have so much spam already. Don't add to the problem. Don't spam people. Just don't do it. So then what do we send? The same value you share on your YouTube channel. Talk about the same things. And if you have a YouTube video, affiliate product, your offer, or whatever it is, you could share that to your email audience. There are a lot of email strategies, and that goes beyond the scope of this video. But if you just share your value like you do on your YouTube channel, you could make the occasional offer and send someone back to your YouTube channel or whatever you're offering. Everything I've already talked about can apply to really any platform to grow an email list. But how do you get people to opt into your email list with YouTube? Well, you ask them to. Most YouTube videos have at least one call to action or CTA. If yours don't, then they should. Things like remind people to subscribe, like this video, ring the bell are pretty common. But you could also have CTAs to other things like go to a link in the description or the pinned comment. I've actually already done this twice in this video. The first time when I mentioned my resource guide in the description, and once when I said that there was a link to the trial to ConvertKit in the description as well. I verbally told you where to find the link. If someone watches this video, maybe they'll want my resource guide or to try ConvertKit. Now they know where to find it. And as a little bonus tip, you could add whatever your featured link is to a pinned comment. This makes it even easier for your audience to find the link. You can also add animations and whatnot to your videos, but the verbal call to action is key. Now, would I necessarily do this in every video? No, I wouldn't. Just like how you need to give free value in your emails, you should do the same on YouTube. YouTube wants you to stay on YouTube, so I'd say only do this to a percentage of your videos. Are you gonna grow your email list with YouTube? Let us know in the comments. If you liked this video, check out this video next. If you got value out of this video, be sure that you like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and I will see you in the next one.